Ooh, that light is bright, just like your future if you keep watching this channel. Let's get on with the Minute Monday. Good to be back. Took a week off there, guys. A little bit sick, but we just did some analysis for the members of the group. So let's just kind of brush that off onto you guys in less than a minute here. Let's go. So as always, guys, we're going to talk really quickly so that you guys don't get bored. We're looking at the Euro USD here. The conflicting views are all over the board here. I can't make any major calls on Euro USD. We're going to have to wait longer into the week. All I can really say about the Euro USD is we're going to be looking for some sort of movement right back up here going into Tuesday, just so that we can get a retest of that Monday open, the highs of the week most likely, and then we might be able to reject off of that area. That's what we're going to be looking for, but you could easily see it continuing back up here. So I'm only having a bias on that one side right there. Everything else, we're just going to have to kind of watch, see how it goes along the week. Looking at some of the pound action, we do see possible reversals around here. Now, mind you, on the 4 hour, you did see that candle close kind of bearishly there, but the 1 hour is actually showing a nice reversal here. And as long as we don't get back below kind of this order block right here, this is what we're going to be looking to bounce off of. And you can see that we're actually creating a lot of stop areas right here, a lot of liquidity in that area. So we could see a nice quick wick down there going into Tuesday open. That would go an interesting well with the euro here as well, right below those stops if we're matching that up with the dollar, and then we can see the movement to the upside, so that we'd be looking for some sort of manipulation going into the Tuesday open, and then continuation of this bullish momentous move right here. UCAD doing exactly what we thought it was going to do a long time ago here. We saw that bullish move. It's coming back down, retesting this order block that we were looking for, cleared that liquidity, and now it's moving to the upside. What we're going to be looking for this week is an easy pullback right around this area. There's going to be a lot of stops behind these levels, and then we look for a manipulation or some sort of bounce off of this order block right here going into tomorrow, and then just continuation up to the upside. Most likely these highs are going to be met by the early week, and then continuation to the upside. There's a lot of liquidity resting up here, and I do have this target right here that's been sitting there for quite a while. We will most likely hit that within the next week or two. Aussie Kiwi pairs, a little bit biased to the downside short selling here. We're just coming back for a nice little retrace here, retesting these supply zones, and it does look like we're just getting little bits of wick here, little bit of distribution before we're actually going to continue back down. And I was mentioning here last week, guys, if you guys are watching the stream, make sure you watch the stream, tune into that so you can get more detailed information about what's going on day to day. We do that Tuesday to Friday usually, and we can give you answer your questions, teach you everything that you need to know so that you can be woke like me. So there is some liquidity below here, and we didn't quite hunt that in last week's move, so we would like to continue and do it for another round here, and it's actually creating more stops behind here, so I'd even be more satisfied hitting that because we have multiple lows here now. So quickly sum up what I just said there. No major bias across the euro, pound a little bit bullish, and UCAD bullish. Aussie, Kiwi generally go hand in hand. Most of those are to the short selling bias. All right, guys, nice and quick. That was everything I have for you today. It's good to be back. I like to be making these videos again, and we're going to continue the regular content going into the week here, teach you some new stuff, do some new strategies here for you guys. And I do have a review of a new traders course, a new YouTube traders course that we're actually going to be looking into and see if you guys are actually interested in that. If you guys are interested in watching the streams, make sure you tune in. It's on the New York open-ish right after I'm done trading for the day, so you guys can learn how I am trading live and ask questions if you need that. You can make sure you follow me on Instagram if you want to message me or get in more touch.